Alright, first day in Chattanooga. And I have had a sinus attack ever since we got off the plane. Not quite sure what triggered it, but I did not take my Zyrtec this morning because they were all packed in my suitcase. We were in a hurry. But man, I need to make sure I do that every single night. I am so red, so miserable. I bought a Allegra D at Walmart, and I hope that that helps. I gave a breathe, so hopefully I won't be like this for the rest of the trip. But just miserable. Once this happens, it like ruins the whole day. I just knew it. I just knew it. So I had a little whiskey to help me go to sleep, but I don't think it's helping clear my sinuses. And my nose is so red, I would have to use a lot of makeup tomorrow. Anyway, it's our first night in Chattanooga. And it's only 10 o'clock, and I'm going to bed.